These are the elevators that take up to the skywalk to the Intercontinental Hotel here at the Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Got some more Schindler elevators to ride. It's got these really cool, gigantic innovation buttons. These are nice. On the train. Look at this panel. This is a big panel right here. Look at a cab view now. These are definitely basic, but somewhat nice actually because it's big. They're Custom Schindler. At communicator, 4,500 pound capacity. Innovation buttons.
Floor T, gates B. Going up.
Go up to the hotel. Forgot what model they are. Here we go. Here at 3, the hotel level.
Floor 3, hotel. Going down.
Transfer down at T. Triple chime. These will be the last elevators I'll be filming for now because I do have to catch my flight very soon. At least I was able to capture a few elevators here while I'm here for a 2-hour layover. I gotta say, these run pretty well. I'm impressed. These might replace some previous Schindler elevators that had Adams Air Plus.
Floor T, gates B. Going up.
We're gonna go ride the other one right here. There goes this one. Actually, this is called the tunnel level. That's why it's called T. This is the tunnel level right here. This is the tunnel level down here for to go to Concourse B. Sorry about the shakes, guys. Really need to see a low oil light, indicating if it's low on oil or something like that. Bump.
Floor 3, hotel. Going down.
Yep, down there is the skywalk to the Intercontinental Hotel. Apparently there's another security checkpoint that you have to go through to get from the hotel to the airport. I'm not gonna go there because like I said, there is another security checkpoint I have to go through for that. Here back at the tunnel level.
Floor T, gates B. Going up.
Go up to 2, ended up there. So I really gotta catch my flight. These do got epic motors. Too bad you can't really hear too much of it. But actually this one you can hear more of it since the fan is a little lower than the other one. Yeah, these are pretty impressive for Schindler and they level quick. Look at that. Alrighty. There it goes. And as you can see, that's the telescoping right there. Those are the telescopings. You can view the top part of this elevator. These are definitely hose hydraulic. All right, and that'll be it.